Texan Global School. Slope-intercept equation. In this class, the process to obtain the equation of a line given the slope and intercept on the y-axis is analyzed. We will start from a line with slope m, and intercept defined as b. We can see that the intercept with the y-axis has a coordinate of 0, b. Substituting the point and the slope in the formula demonstrated in previous classes, and adjusting the equation, results y equal to the slope m times x plus the intercept b. This is the formula to obtain the equation of a straight line given its slope and intercept on the y-axis. Let's look at a first example. Find the equation of the straight line with slope m equals 2 and intercept on the y-axis b equal to -3. We can directly obtain the equation of the line with these two elements. By substituting in the derived formula, results that y equals 2 times x plus -3. When developing, results the equation of the straight line y equals 2x minus 3. To graph, first tabulate 2 points, since it is the minimum to obtain a straight line. For the first point, we know that the intercept is -3, therefore the intercept point with the y-axis is 0, -3. Let us substitute into the equation to verify that this point belongs to the straight line. For the second point, propose that if x equals 1 by substituting and expanding results, y equals -1. Hence, graph to see the behavior of the equation given the specified conditions. In this other example, let us find the equation of the straight line with slope m equal to -1 that passes through the point 0, 2. We can directly obtain the equation of the line with those two elements, since the point is on the y-axis, indicating that it is the intercept. By substituting into the derived formula, y equals -1 times x plus 2. By expanding, results the equation of the line y equals 2 minus x. To graph, tabulate 2 points, since it is the minimum to obtain a straight line. Since we already have the first point, whose coordinate is 0, 2, let us find the second point. Propose that if x is equal to 1 by substituting and developing results that y is equal to 1 as well. We then graph to see the behavior of the equation given the specified conditions. Texan Global School. Global online learning. Knowledge for the world. www.texanglobalschool.com